Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. My intention and goal on this channel is to teach you and show you how to go from zero to over $1,000 per month in passive income in less than 4 months. Now, plenty of my students on the Royalty Accelerator course have already done that, but that is not the topic of today's video. The topic of today's video is a new milestone has been reached for my KDP business. So as you can see, it says here between April 2019 and December 2019, it's now the middle of December. I have made over $10,000 in royalties, which is absolutely fantastic. If you do want to see the expenses and the expenditure associated with this royalty income, then check out the video linked right now in the top right hand corner of this video, and you'll be able to see how much I spend compared to how much I make on KDP. But the percentage is only very small. It's somewhere between 5 to 10%. So compared to business models like dropshipping or other models that have a lot of advertising expenditure, this is a very, very high profit business that you can do. So if you're new here and you don't know anything about KDP, the best place to start is to sign up for my free course. The link is in the description. It puts all of these YouTube videos that I've made. There's over 50 videos now, but it puts them all into the right order and into a nice step-by-step system that's really easy for you to follow. So now we're going to take a look at the month-by-month breakdown. So we've come onto this tab here and you can see month by month. This was 80. This was my first month. That's quite a good first month. If you make $50, that's still very, very good and you should be happy with that. But every month you want to see some growth. So 80 to 310 to 1154. June, I had some Father's Day notebooks that did extremely well. So this is why there is a little spike here compared to, you would expect this month to be in between these 2 months, May and July, but it was higher because of those Father's Day sales. As you can see here, August was 763, 829 in September, continual growth to where I reached $1,000 again in October. And now with the Q4 effect, the huge spike in sales that I predicted back in June and July, November was $2,300 and December is $3,000 so far. It's currently the 14th of December, so hopefully I'll hit around $6,000 this month alone, which would be absolutely incredible. And December is actually going to make up a lot of my total yearly earnings. So if we jump on to, well, actually, let's go down here and we can see the breakdown by marketplace. So the US has been 50.3% and the UK has been 46%, with a little bit in Germany, Canada, Spain, Italy, France, and we'll probably expect to see more from Canada in the future. You can see a video that I made about why that is if you check out my other videos. On this one, we can see the breakdown by book. Now, I'm not actually going to hover over each one because it would give away my titles. So obviously these books over here account for quite a lot of the revenue, and these are only a small number of books that have really sort of gone viral. And these ones over here, there's hundreds of books in here. That's why it's gone so white and you can't even see them, but they have maybe sold only once each. And that's why you can barely see any slice from those. I just opened this one here just so you can see that I've not changed the currency to something like New Zealand dollars, which would show a higher royalty amount. And on this one here, we can see again, just a bit more proof for you if you for some reason didn't believe me. We are on December the 14th. As you can see down the bottom right, there's nothing on the 15th yet. We're still on the 14th and we're over $3,000, which is absolutely fantastic. You can see here that we're on $247 already for today. And if we go down here, we can see the total number of books sold. There we go. 4,737 units sold to create that $10,000. So I hope that this video has been motivational or inspirational to you. And if you're brand new to KDP, then the best way to learn all about it and how to publish your first 10 or 50 books is to join the free course. The link for that is in the description. And if you know a little bit about KDP, but you want to take your royalties to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month, then what you need is the Royalty Accelerator. And that is cheap for a limited time only. So check the link in the description and you can get your hands on all of that knowledge. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Uploads are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.